Students, this is K. Mujakkar, lecturer in commerce. In today's video, we can discuss about Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI and ICICI, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. This is also one of the type of the central level financial institutions. Before going to discuss this video, till now who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel in order to get the more updates, and also share to your friends. Due to sharing, your friends may also get benefited. Okay, here first of all we can discuss about ICICI. Nowadays the ICICI, we know that it is one of the commercial bank also. Before, the ICICI, which was established in the year 1955, it is the development bank. The ICICI bank, which was established in the year 1955, at the time of establishment, see here, the ICICI bank was the development bank and not a commercial bank. After the recent developments only, the ICICI bank also got a part of commercial bank. Before 1950, or that is before, at the time of the establishment, the ICICI bank was the development bank only. They are giving the loans and financial assistance for the development of industries, and they are encouraging the small and cottage industries. Okay, here ICICI has been established in the year 1955 in order to support to the and assist industrial development in India. The industries which are locating in India, they are providing financial assistance by the ICICI bank. Next, they are providing also their assistance in creation, expansion and modernization also, like introduction of the capital intensive of industrial enterprises. Then what they are doing, they are also encouraging and promoting the participation of both internal and external in such enterprises also. Then they are also encouraging and promoting industrial investment and expansion of investment markets. Still what they are also doing, they are underwriting of public and private issues and offers of sales of industrial securities, like ordinary shares means nothing but equity shares, preference shares, bonds and also debenture stock also. They are also not only they are underwriting, they are also giving direct subscription of such securities and securing loans in rupees and repayable over periods up to 15 years. See here, they are not only giving their assistance, they are also giving their loan up to 15 years of time. They are giving, 15 years of time they are giving. Next, ICICI Bank also providing similar loans in foreign currencies for payment of the imported capital equipment, and they are also providing the technical services to the development of the industries, and also they are guaranteeing payments for credit made by others, and they also providing credit facilities to manufacturers of for promoting sales industrial equipment on deferred payment terms. It means nothing but in long payment terms. It is also manage the venture capital fund of rupees 20 crores, that is ICICI had established along with UTI in 1988. Then Technology Development and Information Corporation of India Limited, established by the ICICI in 1988. What they are doing, they provides technology information and also finances technology intensive development activities, including commercial research and development schemes also. Next, we can go into the SIDBI. What is meant by Small Industries Development Bank of India? See here, with the view to ensuring larger flow of financial and non-financial assistance to the small scale sector, the government of India set up the Small Industries Development of Bank of India. See here, SIDBI, what they are doing means they are supplying the not the smaller flow of amount, they are giving the larger flow of financial and non-financial assistance. See, they are giving not only the financial assistance and also non-financial assistance means nothing but in order to guide, in order to monitor the activities of the industrial concerns, and giving the proper support to development of such type of industries. So they are giving the larger flow of financial and non-financial assistance to small scale sector also. Why SIDBI has been established means See here, like other institutions, IDBI, IFCI, or other type of financial institutions, they are providing both funds to the small industries, large industries also. Yes or no? Then IDBA like IFCA, they are not only providing the industries to small scale, but also development to the large scale industries also. But when coming to the SIDBI, the government of India particularly, they have why they have set up means they have given specialization support to small industries only. Mainly they have given mainly importance to small industries only. So it was established under the special act in the parliament in the October 1989. October 1918, there was they have decided in the parliament to set up the SIDBI. To set up the SIDBI at the time of October 1989, it was a wholly owned subsidiary of IDBI. It is under the IDBI. In 1989, IDBI subsidiary is SIDBI. Later on, April, the bank later on this Small Industries Development Bank of India, what they have done, they have commenced its operations from April to 1990. These years are many important, my dear student friends. With its head office is located in the Lucknow, and the SIDBI has taken over the outstanding portfolio of the IDBI relating to the small scale sector. Next, we can discuss what are its functions. See here, in order to initiate steps for technological upgradation and modernization of existing units. See here, the industries which are continuing like existing industries, they are giving their technical and technological support and modernization also, and they are expanding the channels of marketing the products of SSI sector means small scale industry sector, even though not only in the domestic market but also in the global level market also. Next, they are promoting employment oriented industries, especially in semi urban areas, to create more employment opportunities. See here, the industry what they are doing, they are also promoting the employment oriented industries also, where they are providing in the semi urban areas. Why? Because in order there will be a they are creating more employment opportunities. Due to that, automatically it leads to migration of people to the urban areas also. Next, the SIDBI financial assistance to small scale industries is channelized through the existing credit delivery system and comprising state financial corporations, state industrial development corporation, commercial banks, and regional rural banks also. See here, the SIDBI's financial assistance to small scale industries, how they are channelized through the existing credit delivery system. This system comprises of such type of institutions. Next, the SIDBI introduced two new schemes during 1992 to 1993 equipment finance scheme. What is the scheme? It is nothing but equipment finance scheme. It means in this scheme they are providing the machineries to the industries, to the machineries who are the small scale industries who are unable to purchase the machineries in order to manufacturing the product. The SIDBI may support to purchase they give the financial assistance for the purchase of equipment in order to development them. So in 1992 1993 they have introduced the scheme, that is nothing but equipment financing scheme. What in this scheme, the SIDBI they are providing the direct finances to the existing well run small scale industry units taking up the technology upgradation. See here, they are not providing to other the industries who are willing to take the technological product for such industries only. The SIDBI has been giving this type of equipment finance scheme for development, and also refinance for this resettlement of voluntary retired workers also of the National Textile Corporation. See here, what they are also doing, they are also refinance for the resettlement of voluntary the persons who are voluntarily retired in the National Textiles Corporation. For such persons also, for such workers also, the SIDBI what they have done means they have given a finance for their resettlement. Next, the other new scheme launched like venture capital fund. Venture capital fund means nothing but one of the risk capital. Why? Because in order to support exclusively for small scale units. See here, it initial corpus of rupees 10 crores. See here, 10 crores budget they have given for the support of small scale industries. It enrolled itself as a institutional member of the OTC member also. See here, SIDBI not only it has been given the financial assistance, it is also one of the institutional member of the over OTC Exchange of India. Next also SIDBI also provides financial support to the NSIC, that is National Small Industrial Corporation. Why? Because they are supporting for such a NSIC also. See here, why means in order to provide the leasing, hire purchase means the nothing but in the case of installment basis, and marketing they are also providing marketing support to the industrial units in the small scale sector also. Later on, after establishment, the over the years assistance sanctioned to backward areas according to the 657 crores they have sanctioned for the development. That is nothing but 18% of the total sanctions. See here, after 1992 till now, the total for the purpose of backward areas only, this should be what they have done. How much they have sanctioned amount? Nearly 657. Nothing but 18% of total sanctions they have done. Next, disbursements to backward areas and amount to rupees 486 crores. That also accounting for the 17.8% of the total assistance disbursed. Next, what is its share? Here we can discuss here. The share of the SSI in refinance is nothing in 82.3%, distantly followed by the small road transport operations and new projects account for 67.9% of the total assistance sanctioned, distantly followed by the expansion like 11.6% for the diversification and modernization of industries like 6.2%, and rest goes to the supplementary purposes. See here how much they have done. They have provided their refinance in 82.3%, like distantly followed by the small road transport operators. STRO's new period for new project is 67.9%. In total 82.3%. Here see that for new projects how much assistance? 67.9. And for the purpose of diversification 11.6%, and for the modernization 6.2%, and remaining is for the other supplementary reserves. Next, what are its main objectives? Here we can discuss. What they are doing, they are refinancing of term loans granted by the banks and other eligible institutions. They are also not only financial assistance, they are giving the discounting and rediscounting bills also for the purchase of any machinery. Think that the small scale industries they are purchasing the machinery with 1 lakhs or 10 lakhs or 1 crore also. Even though in starting cases or in some situations the small scale industries will get the losses. In such situations they are unable to pay the interest to the SIDBI. In such situations the SIDBI they are also giving the discounting facilities also, like this rediscounting of bills arising out of sale of machinery for the purchase of some machineries also. Next also they are providing equity type in assistance under national equity fund by the way of seed capital, means they are also giving the initial capital for the entrepreneurs who need to start a manufacturing unit. In such situations this also giving SIDBI what they are doing, they are giving a equity type assistance, nothing but risk type assistance under national equity fund and by the way of seed capital to the entrepreneurs. Next also what they are doing, they are also rediscounting of short term bills arising out of sale of products. Not only in case of bills or other, they are also in case of sale of products, and also share capital and resource support to the factoring organizations also. We we know that factoring means there are some parties are involved. In case of credit sales, there will be a point of one factor. The factor will collect the payments from that persons and settle to the manufacturing unit. Okay, I will explain what is meant by factoring here. Say for example, I am the A person. I am the A person. I have sell the goods to the C. I have lot of business activity in day to day. In such situations, I am unable to collect my amount from C. So in such situations, I will appoint one person. I will appoint one person here. This person is factor. This person is factor. This factor what he will do means I will appoint him. A is appointing him. B what they will do means he will collect the amount from C and will give to the and B will give to the A. This type of process is known as factoring. Now you understand what is meant by factoring. Like that, share capital and resource supporting to the factoring organizations, and also assistance for promotion and other related support services, like for the purpose of promotion of industries, development and growth of small scale sector also. Thanks for